Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple games at the same time on your Xbox Series X. Now, to do this, what we want to do is go up to Settings right here and select this. Scroll on down to System, go right and go to Storage Devices. Then go on over to the internal storage. Select this and go to Uninstall Content. Then under here, you can see all the games and apps. Otherwise, you can just choose Games. Then you can go to the game. So let's go to the final. I think the beta is over for that. And then scroll on down and find another game. So here's Fall Guys. I'm going to select that. Then we want to go over to Remove Selected. Then go to Uninstall. So I have two games I'm going to uninstall. And it's going to show you the free space available after you do this. So let's go back to the screen. It says my internal storage is now at 319. And after about 15 to 20 seconds, it'll continue to go up and you'll have more internal storage space available. But it's very easy to delete multiple games or applications at the same time. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.